Joseph, you are a teacher? Where?
I'm a manager in the Dublin School of Architecture in Technological University Dublin.
And about technological issues and many other things, wood, I think, is the material of the future.
Oh, absolutely. And I think all over the world we're relearning this. Some countries like Ireland, because they lost their trees for various reasons, historic, several hundred years ago, we're gaining our culture of timber almost for the first time in several hundred years. But you can see other countries, maybe like Spain, maybe Galicia, or southern Germany, Switzerland. There's this recovery since the 80s, which is really exciting, and we're all learning from that. So it's fantastic for us in Ireland. I know there's a strong connection with Finsa to kind of gain that knowledge, regain that knowledge about timber, because we need to accelerate this. Well, there's some wonderful products here in the Finsa range. In fact, the thermopine cladding product that will be used for the first time in Ireland on a deep renovation project that I'm personally involved in. So we're going to have an example in Dublin of the thermopline cladding for people to see.
More attention from architects and on wood, on possibilities.
Oh, absolutely. Whether that's for finishing, whether that's for mass timber construction, as you can see here, timber framing, whether that's even for acoustic benefits, aesthetic benefits, even emotional, obviously structural, thermal, carbon sequestration. It's fantastic, and it's the really exciting times.
You have your keyword about wood project.
About this project,
Keyword.
I think I don't know. Potential, excitement. 2 words.